Today we coming at you with another black-owned banger. See, my community, packet sauce, packet sauce, packet sauce, packet sauce. Drip, drip. Hey, bam, make it as snug or as loose as you would like for your domology. Okay. Y'all know I like big ignorant hair. It's no secret. This about to be my summer wig. Summer wig. It's the amazing.
Y'all don't know the words.
You can shout and you can fight in this. These twists, they not going anywhere, okay? Don't be out here fighting. No, that's not cute. But I'm saying, if it come down to it, you can wear this. This could be your fight wig. Somebody coming at you or your family, you got to defend them or something like that. But don't be out here fighting. But I'm just saying, if you got to do what you got to do, this could be your fight wig. Or it could be your revival wig. Because this is going to stay on it. Now, there's no clips. It's no clip, so maybe not revival. Maybe second service. You can wear this to second service. Y'all not new to this, y'all true to this. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all, today we coming at you with another black-owned banger. Today's video has been brought to you by the Curl Refinery. Y'all, I love the Curl Refinery. I rocked their products before. Loved them. They was definitely gonna be on the list for me to try again. I'm trying 2 of their products that should be throw on and goes. Now I'm hoping they throw on and goes. I know how much we love throwing and goes as a community. See, my community loves throw on and goes. You know, you have to say community in our community.
You have to say that word.
So I got 2 things that I was like, ooh, not only is it black owned, but I think these might be some throw on and goes. So we gonna see. But you know, first I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. You already know how I get down. Right? Cousin on my YouTube side. You are the bomb. Okay, y'all. So, again, this is from Curl Refinery. Their information will be in the description box. So make sure you show them love. See if they have a product that fits your needs. Okay? As well as your jacket pocket. Both of those things. So, let's see. Let's start. I have 2 products. Bam. 2. Let's go with this one right here. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Drip, drip. Hey. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna show them to you first. And then you know how we do. Y'all not new to this, y'all true to this. Y'all know. But if you are new to this, hey new cousins, hey y'all.
I love me some y'all.
Okay, so yo, this is supposed to be a headband wig. This one is an island twist headband wig. First of all, I just put my hand in here to grab this out. Nice feel. Very nice feel, y'all. You have to love the craftsmanship. Ooh, and the time that it takes to do this. These are their island twists. This is what the twists look like. It's so cute. So this is very lightweight. The cap is a standard crochet cap with the headband. As you can see, very airy, y'all. Very breathable, okay? If it's hot where you are, bam. It looks like you can cut this and it won't unravel because you know you can't cut every wig now. It has an adjustable strap, bam. You think it's a game? It's clearly not. It has the Velcro for your snugtivity factor, bam. Bam, make it as snug or as loose as you would like for your domology. Okay. I'm just looking at the construction of the wig. It is constructed very neatly. Uniform. Now, I don't know if this is going to be too much hair for me. Y'all know I like big ignorant hair. It is what it is. It's no secret. This looks like you could probably remove. Let me see. Okay, I just tried. These look like pieces can be removed if you would like for them to be removed. Not that they could be snatched out. Look. You can shout and you can fight in this. These twists, they not going anywhere, okay? Don't be out here fighting. No, that's not cute. But I'm saying, if it come down to it, you can wear this. This could be your fight wig. Somebody coming at you or your family, you got to defend them or something like that. But don't be out here fighting. But I'm just saying, if you got to do what you got to do, this could be your fight wig. Or it could be your revival wig. Because this is going to stay on it. Now, there's no clips. There's no clip, so maybe not revival. Maybe second service. You can wear this to second service. Yeah, I say second service. I say second service. You know, if you do revival, not the first day and not the 7th day, you might can wear it to one of the middle revival days. But definitely not the last day. I wouldn't do it. So we're gonna try to make it do what it do. Okay. This is the A selection right here, y'all. We got a B selection too. This one is pressed down and runneth over and packaged up. But I think I know which one this is because I feel it off on the inside. I feel it. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm about to be fly in the mug this summer. This about to be my summer wig. Summer wig. It's the sweet amazing.
Y'all don't know the words.
Sometimes I swear I hear it call my name.
Hey!
I think it's a game. It's clearly not. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh. Girl, you did this. And you know, sometimes with hat wigs, it's not enough hair. It's not believable. It's like they just put a few strands and said, ship it. That's not the case right here. Look at this. This is my summer wig. Let me go. Chad, let me find a beach sometime this summer. I'm wearing this. Okay. Yeah, I want to put this on so bad. Okay, y'all. So again, the Curl Refinery, big shout out. So I'm about to just do what it do. I'm going to do the headband wig first and see how I can style it and profile it. And then we're going to rock that hat and just see what we can come up with, y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. And then you could come to the family reunion. Just like that, you are part of the family. Let's go ahead and style and profile. Let's see. Hold on.